Hold on! Welcome, Gingerbread and Jelly. Gingerbread and Jelly. Gingerbread and Jelly. Oh Lord, welcome again, peeps. I'm here. Let's have a tune and food. Turn your lights down low. And move your window curtains. Let the slide come on in. That sounds good. The starting part sounds good. Here, what? Welcome again to another episode at J Vlogs. Don't know, big up on yourself. Gingerbread and Jelly. Love on them. Alright, so today I have a burning issue that I want to talk about. It's pretty much females acting dumb or females acting stupid, females falling for the wrong type of guy, females opening them legs too fast. Alright, literally. So, firstly, I want to say I respect females to the fullest extent. I have sisters, me have a mother, me have a mother. I love my mother, I love my sister them. So I'm not trying to disrespect females in any way, and I'm not trying to show up the man them in any way. So both on the big up on yourself, both male and females big up on yourself. Alright, so let me jump into it. Females have a tendency to look for certain type of guys. Alright, nowadays females, majority look for the type of guys that them say them pants drop off for them bottom, which me not like that. Fire upon that. Pants are drop off, right? Them always like them Jordans, them hype this, them hype that. It's either them tribe or them not tribe, but me that call them hype man. So females nowadays go for the hype man them, right? Like literally they don't want a man like me. Wait, you understand? In a slippers or short pants and them looking something with it. You understand? Females go for the hype man them, so-called hype man them where smoke them weed and smoke them cigarette and all them thing there. And then the problem that they're having is that when they look for that hype man, they're expecting the hype man to have a simple person mentality or a cool guy mentality where them can go and sit down and have a constructive conversation with that person. Not saying that all of them can sit down and have, constructive conversation. But the point I'm trying to make is that females go for those type of guys and then expect them to treat them differently, or expect them to treat them like a gentleman would treat a woman, right? And that's the problem I'm having. So let me give you this example. A female meet a guy today, right? And 2 days after that, you sleep with him. Question: how can you meet a man yesterday, right? And you sleep with him Friday? Why your leg open so quick? Why your leg open so quick? And then you expect the man to go stick around and wife you up and cherish you and all of that. It not work so. Let me tell you something how men process things, right? We like challenge. We like females that are challenging. We like a challenge. So if you wanna challenge the man in certain area, right? And you just open your leg just like that, like a bright star, just open up so and let the man in. You think so the man are gonna stay with you? No, it no work, so the man now gonna stay. So you need to understand that, say, it no work like that. Alright? No go so. Keep your legs closed just a little bit longer and it will work out better for you. Trust me, me a man and me a tell you. Alright? Secondly, you can't look for your cruff. You can't look for a gentleman in a cruff. If a man a cruff, him a cruff. And there is nothing you can do about it. So no matter how much sex you give him, no matter how much you beg him and you plead to him, once him have that cruff mentality, there's nothing that can change him or cruff unless he choose to change, which are going to be a struggle. Alright, so look out for that as well. Next thing too, When you text the man constantly, you call the man constantly and expect say him not gonna answer your call and do this, and then he just embarrass you on social media and show you up on social media, and then after him embarrass you, him call you over and everything and make it seem like say everything nice. What the man is actually doing is trying to get between your legs again. But you know, as that fool person, now, walk me your legs again, right? And then in the ball, and they say, oh, you never stay so, you did sweet, you did nice. Where you expect? If the man want to get between your legs, where you expect him to go? The man will sweet talk you. You understand? The man will show you say, you are the one. You are the lover in life. I have 10 women, and you are the one. You alone him see. You are the starlight in his eye. Oh, you are my number one. You understand, females? Open your eyes, listen, and lock on the leg. That's all you have to do. Very, very simple. Simple things you need to do. Alright? Keep on the legs a little. Keep on the legs closed a little longer. And as you say things work out for you better. You understand it? When you can't operate like that, when you can't operate, when you know, pick up a cruff and expect a gentleman out of the cruff. Not gonna work like that. Nothing gonna work like that. It's like you get a old house and you expect the house to brand new when you go inside. You look on the outside and you see the house mash up and tear down and it want to fix. And then in your back of your mind you feel say, oh, why if we go inside good? No, it doesn't work like that. If you all on the outside, then there's a strong probability that inside will go old too. So instead of going and trying to fix out the old house, it doesn't leave the old house alone. And look for a more decent, picturesque, you know, them nice, pretty house there. If you understand what I mean. So, what I'm trying to say is try to find a decent guy that fits your personality. If you're a decent girl and you want a decent guy, then look for the decent guy. Yes. So if you're a decent person and you want a decent guy, then you need to look for the decent guy. So females, keep on the legs closed just a little longer. I love when I try to protect them, but just showing a little vibe. Right? Men like to be challenged. If you're too easy, then chances are the man won't stick around. You have to carry something to the table. And just carrying the nookie or the VV to the table, that alone can help your situation. So bring something else to the table. Challenge him in, hold out a little longer, and be proud of yourself. Respect your body. Respect yourself. You just dash it out just like that. You can't expect to meet the man yesterday and dash it out tomorrow. It don't work like that. Don't make the man trick you so quick. Even if it take 3 months to trick. You understand? At least a 3 months, at least you will stay around for the next 3 months. But try to respect on your body, try to respect on yourself. Look for somebody decent where can compliment, you know. You understand? And just try to work out something that, you know, can be beneficial to both of you. You know. I know most of them are gold digger still, and then they get what they don't get when the man catching and tricking them. But yeah, that is our next topic. But here what? Big up on yourself same way. Thanks for watching J Vlogs. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Remember the t-shirts are still there. Go and grab one. And let me know what you think about the vlogs. Alright people? So enough respect again. Ladies, I love you. Man, and big up on yourself same way. Enjoy. Who knows? You might learn something. J Vlogs, I'm out.